In this tutorial today, we are going to see how to generate featured image for your blogs using thumbgenieai.com. First, we will sign up for an account, enter the details, and click on create account. So once the account is created, you need to go to the email and activate it. So let's go to the email and open that and activate that account. So now the account has been activated, so you can see, so we have a free 2 images per month. So we'll download that plugin now for installation in the WordPress. So plugin is downloaded. Now we can go back to the WordPress and we can go to add plugin and click on upload plugin and select the downloaded file, and we can click on install and we can activate the plugin. So once activated, go to the setting, so where we need to enter the API key. Let's go back to the thumbgenieai website and copy the API key and paste it in the WordPress, and once everything is done, click on save changes. So now you can see we have 2 images we can generate, and also there's an option to bulk generate images, so you can filter based on whether the featured image is already there or not. Also we can generate image at individual post, so we'll go edit post, and here you can see, once make sure you enter some content before you generate the image. So once the content is entered, go to the thumbgenieai generate image icon and click on generate image and wait for the image to be generated. Now you can see the image has been generated, so it's also appropriate based on the content. So now we can save it and preview the image. So now you can see a high quality image has been generated. It's related to the content as well. And also if you go back to the thumbgenieai.com, you can see 1 image has been generated.